Tara. Guys, nagbabalat si Maring Sara ng shea butter, shea seeds. They are preparing this to make shea butter. So normally kapag ka daytime, hindi talaga sila nag-i-stay sa loob ng bahay. People stay outside of their house, under the tree, or because it's cooler. Meron din ditong kamoting kahoy. I think this is even fresh harvest.
Ani. Yen. Yen. Amor, dayong. Para bila sa muna.
Very nice. No, this one is better. This is leisure time. I wish we did this way at Uncle. We are just outside doing nothing. Just cracking nuts. Just study for us. Notice you can talk about life at least when you are productive.
Yeah. You must say this is not time for gossiping.
Ni ko raway. Nado. Ni ko yang amor diyan.
I won't just cut it out from there. Okay, we have a long time.
Yang amor ni diyan. Yaw.
So guys, you might be wondering what we are doing with Maring Sara. We are peeling shea seed, preparing them for the process para gawing shea butter. So para magawa yan, kailangan natin ng bato. We are cracking the outside shell with a stone kasi medyo matigas siya. But once inside, para din siyang malaking macadamia nut. But this one, hindi nyo pwedeng kainin kasi mapait. Pwede nyo siyang kainin pag naging butter na siya. Pwede siyang ihalo sa pagkain, pwedeng diretso kainin. And of course, pinaka number one is yung pwede siyang gawing body balm or lotion.
A few.
Ako nang grupo dapat. Godi. Imut ke sana mere pore. Kuni ko ini ko ke sale ni. Upan ke bore do. Kita ibu ba do. Yang ada bede. Iri ada ba. Apo ke ko ke mutu apo pro to aga tai tu ngalo ngobe e point musna ba.
I overheat it, sorry. Because I tried eating it, but it was bitter. Yeah, the fruits. It's in my pocket.
Let's try it.
Oh yeah. In a bit.
Ini ada buangan ni. Itu ya pergi apa kita. Kami lakat kita ajar mai dia.
Yes.
Ada sampai buang.
Kita doi.
Hebat, mamlo saya boleh boleh. Ini nang saya simu.
Just ya kuya lo pepe itu.
Nang dia mai dia. Dari buku mari.
Ana Grace. Ngaya je tiada. Obiane.
Ini dah boleh tak boleh. Ini nerin no tu.
Ini era bala akirori ke.
So uncle doesn't go. You don't go to work today.
Today I used to work to election.
But normally you go.
Si
okay?
Let us play. Cheating man.
Even mine is done.
Where are they?
That's what I want.
Chalo.
In Soroti,
Magana po.
meron na solda. Yung
Ayun
meron na solda.
Ay, tingnan mo.
Ay na, angko.
Kere.
Even down at Soroti.
Maya. Ay, cosito boy. Ito ko kasato ko. Ito giro tayo. Después no.
Nga waya kapan king. Tutok ke.
Ada aku na, ada aku. Ako kanyang papansin na.
Kon.
Where is your eldest uncle, eldest child?
Ay, that's
Yeah, your child, eldest.
She's in Bali. She's about to come to Deo tomorrow.
She's in school.
Yeah. She has completed the course. This is very July.
Solomon enjoyed the other village. She has not come back. What do you say?
She might have here. I said here education is big.
Sabi ko na yan.
Like macadamia nuts, even
Yeah.
the texture. I wonder why it was not made for eating. Like, and then macadamia nuts, you will not see macadamia oil. I know, there is macadamia butter. There is,
But how about
and
oil? Just
hazelnut.
oil.
Hazelnut.
Amang na ba?
Yeah, but hazelnuts are tiny.
Uy,
But the same texture.
Same texture when you crack it. It looks
Yummy.
milky.
Yeah.
It's just that it's bitter. Oh.
Uy, kapabungo. Man, ikan ko ko ina. Yung madali ka pangintini ni.
Nga wala yun. Ito na kila yang ni.
Ah, okay.
I can hear.
Ada ka boya kiko kanyela chaki ko.
Kaya yang ruti.
Lupi ko ako ba?
Ngay.
Kapan?
Kaya mo.
Laru.
Ang mga niya ba kama kita ba?
Ada kaya dati din kon.
Is the wife of the brother.
Sarap ka rin. Kikigil yung mga
Oh, I know you better well.
Ini boy kini ako lo hete.
Ini very trending on TikTok.
Yoga.
Hey.
Koro ji trending apa? How is your sin? Your sin.
Aha, they are my cousins.
the cousins we don't know.
Ini
Yeah, the ones you don't know.
Dika. Adishan.
He's not around.
Adishan. Adishan. Jaga di mulut. Ini boy kini.
Inot. Inot ni.
Don't let me say you go.
She's smart.
Representing her namesake. Oh.
Iya, Miss, pikirinnya ngapain aja kamu kan? Ngapain ngapain aja. Hilang cari nado lain. Hilang dia. Punya mana? Hanya jenis. Hilang dia nado, hilang dia nado lain.
Make that possible. Share my uncle's asking her to. Oh, look at
Mau lucu. Nawe tidak.
But how about food? Are you getting food? Or I don't know how
Ikilo teaching na better.
it's not about us. We just think about how to have
Yan ang pengin. Angin na nunguri. Aku
Pre, pwede nga lo.
be.
Oh.
Baby. Abuy na si bababuy na si Nuwari. Eka wara jimete ada lu dah. Ada lu ni.
Ate, ijasa lo nyen kirama lik. Depa, di line ka ijasa.
Because she has reported
Uptown council beri ni.
Uptown Council, she has reported
Ingare ra.
Aduh, udah sahur.
Isenja.
Aja beri sahur.
Mami mam beri ngasi. Loka. You know like. Ado say. Niye be.
hours, yeah. So my mom is saying she's gonna take Mayumi away and bring Mayumi to Sheena's house while waiting for him to be home.
Okay.
She doesn't trust auntie to take care. She's just lazy. She knows and she's capable, but she's just lazy.
Auntie Christine, you not being there, she'll be doing even extra.
It's okay. She will all just imagine everything when she's back in Uganda.
Yeah.
And then she knows.
I don't want to have somebody who ever has issues with.
She knows that I'm just waiting for the visa to expire. And that's why I told her, instead of sending all your money, people give you send. Why don't you start saving? So you have a capital when you get home. You keep on sending for what? So her salary can cover the children's expenses. Then her family feels entitled to tell me that I should tell the viewers to send them money to fix their house. But does the viewer owe
When
you
did they say
anything?
that?
I did not tell you.
No. This is we need a photo also. Finish our stories again later.
Okay. Guys, we are going to enter their kitchen, African mud hut, but the kitchen area. Let's go. Oh,
Yeah, like the poise ba? Like
Mama is
See
going
how
to
clean her kitchen is.
there, yeah. And Mama is going to make for us, roast for us the shea seeds. Let me set it up. So, yung binabalatan namin kanina, guys, those are shea seeds. And pagkatapos siyang balatan, ibibilad siya sa araw. Pag na-dry, pwede na siyang ang tawag mo dun? Roast. Kalimutan ko yung Tagalog version. Isangag. The word isangag. When you're frying something without oil, it's different. So, the word isangag. So, sinasangag na ni Mama ang ating shea seeds.
Ellos caritas allá. Mira, masa. Ya. Es que yo le para. Ay, ay.
So, etong shea seeds guys, sobrang importante, no? Kasi eto ang nagbibigay sa kanila ng shea butter. So, every time na in season yung shea tree, every time na in season ng shea tree, nagkukolekta talaga sila ng shea seeds na nahuhulog galing sa puno. And here, they don't use machine, you guys, making shea butter. They make it traditionally, or yung lokal na paggawa. Very minimalist. Ang ginagamit nila, bato, hindi makina. I've seen the north make it.
Mami yan yakit si bola aja.
Maybe crack it.
Mm.
This is it here.
Thank you.
Yucky.
So, itong auntie ni Salome guys, habang gumagawa, nagkwentuhan kami. Sabi nga niya sa akin na siya ay, maraming anak. So, sinabi naman ng uncle kanina ni Salome na talagang malaki yung pamilya nila. Dito kasi sa probinsya ng Uganda, makikita mo rin yung mga maramihan talaga yung anak guys. Mga 10, 12, 8, 7, 6, ganon. Sila dito 10, pero nawala yung isa nung pinagbubuntis siya ni mama. Mama yung tawag ko sa kanila kasi hindi ko matandaan yung pangalan. Minsan masyadong mahaba. So kapag kananay, tinatawag ko na lang din ng mama. So sabi niya nag-aaral daw lahat ang mga anak niya. At ang asawa niya naman, yun yung uncle talaga ni Salome. So ang uncle ni Salome ay nagtatrabaho, pero ngayon dahil merong local election, sarado yung kanilang workplace. Kaya andito lang siya ngayon sa bukid. So nakita nyo kanina guys, namulot kami ni Maring Sara ng mga buto ng shea. Galing mismo dun sa mga puno din ng shea na nagkalat dito sa kanilang area, dito sa probinsya sa Uganda or nasa napaka-eastern part. Ang tawag sa probinsya na to, Amoria. So after naming nakolekta yung mga preskong buto na galing sa puno kasi kinain nga ng ibon yung prutas, ipapatuyo siya sa araw. Pagkatapos niya matuyo sa araw, pwede na siyang balatan. Pagkatapos balatan, isasangag. So medyo matagal yung pagsangag nito guys, pero kailangan kasi halukayin ng halukayin para hindi siya masunog. Ayan. No?
You taste.
I taste bitter.
Hey, little.
Little. I taste little. It was bitter.
Hey.
So
What
may-
about Magira?
What's that?
Magira.
I don't know, Magera.
Pwede matang budi mali.
So maya-maya, chine-check ni mama yung buto para hindi ma-overcook at masunog. Nagbubuka siya ng buto.
Yay, mami. Ay, bo. Mami. Ano ba na kotoy? Tak. Ano ba na kotoy? Sim, gimana? Ako yung ba na kotoy?
So pagkatapos ng isang hag guys, kailangan na siyang ilagay dito sa kanilang traditional na basket. Ay, kailangan siyang palamigin ng konti bago gagawin yung susunod na process. Dumating nga yung anak ni Mama Rachel. Nagigib ng tubig sa malapit na poso.
That thing made me happy. Ambu, bumaila ke jo, idala do look like a mteso. Hizi, bu oli teso me look like kata pana jono. Aje wada meja. Oh, saya rasa. Bring this way. Muka punya kabar aja, bisri. Jai punya lain.
Then again the virus.
Keritima sa
Again, I'll create me.
United States.
Merah dola kamera boro kang.
Ano, just wait till it happens on YouTube.
Mwana gwesa mbika nega. Kamera ruko.
Check on YouTube and you see.
So pagkatapos sangagin guys, ayan natatanggalin na siya sa kanyang tatanggalin na sa apoy, ilalagay sa kanilang traditional na basket habang nagpapalamig yung mga buto ng shea. At ngayon nga ay kanila nang hindi ko alam ang Tagalog pero sa English pinapound. So lahat to na mga gawain, mga traditional or yung lokal na paggawa ng shea butter talaga guys, from scratch hanggang sa maging butter siya. Just really amazing. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time para gawin, pero it has really amazing uses and it's all worth it at the end. Kasi imagine kapag ang iba bumibili ng shea butter, ang mahal, no? Pero sa kanila ginagawa lang nila dito sa bahay nila. And they do believe that it makes you look nice, look prettier if you're taking shea butter as well as your daily diet. So after few minutes of pounding, ganyan na yung itsura niya guys. Parang meron na siyang mantika, no? Meron na siyang oil. So right now, it's a paste. So ipapound pa natin. Life in the village. Yeah, there's no music, so I will sing for you even if my voice is not good. Life in the village of Uganda. The land of the wise. Sarah likes that. The life is so simple. Ladies choose their greens while someone is making shea butter. My gosh! I'm telling you, I can vlog, but I cannot sing.
Her original composition.
Yeah! They are making saluyot For us, we call it saluyot. So, ganito ang buhay dito sa probinsya, guys. We don't stress about anything. We go to our gardens, pick our leaves, cook our food, make our shea butter. So, dito na side, meron silang kulitis or saluyot. Dito naman na side, gumagawa siya ng shea butter from scratch. At sa kusina, nandun si Mama Rachel, gumagawa ng ulam. But, yeah. Time check, 3:30 ng hapon. Time can really pass by.
Aren't you hungry?
I want to take my salad.
Yeah.
Many faces.
There's many people up there.
So, at this point, guys, malapit nang maluto itong ating shea butter. So, nakita nyo yung proseso, guys, no? From the top to the end. Almost the end ng proseso ng paggawa ng shea butter. And it's very amazing how much effort, how much time, how much patience you can put to process such very important beauty product dito sa Uganda, lalong-lalo na sa probinsya kung saan wala naman silang access sa mga machine, at kung meron man, they still prefer to do it the traditional or the local way. So lahat ng to, guys, from the scratch up to maging butter siya, kamay lang nila talaga yung gamit nila. And I believe we spend almost like half day para lang makagawa ng shea butter sa lokal na tahanan dito sa probinsya ng Uganda. So, etong pagpapakulo ng shea paste, after pounding it, hinaluan na siya ng tubig. So, by this time, guys, maghihiwalay na yung kanyang powder particles nung shea nut sa mismong oil. And then, yung oil, kapag tumigas, yun yung magiging butter. So, sa ngayon, aantayin na lang natin yung paghihiwalay ng oil at saka nung kanyang black particle na galing mismo dun sa roasted shea nut. Mama Rachel, our shea is ready.
Yes.
Wow.
Masaya kayo. Mama ko.
na guys. Ready na ang ating shea oil. So at this point, it is shea oil. Kapag na tumigas siya overnight, kasi medyo malamig kapag kagabi, then it will harden, and that's what they call the shea butter.
A few
Guys, ang dami ko nang nakolektang manok. They are giving me another chicken. This is how Uganda loves us. Loves the guest. They give you chicken every time you visit. So, nauuwi ako na may kasamang manok kanina. Single akong pumunta, doble akong uuwi. Let's go. Thank you so much, Mama Rachel. Okay, we're going to hold our chicken. Sarah!
eternity later.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, salamat! Salamat sa manok! You want to go, Princess? Yeah, I want to go. I'm going to cook this chicken. Bye-bye, salamat! Guys, they give us manok. Manok and what is that? Black-eyed peas.
White.
Okay, now we are going to walk. Yalama! Guys, binigyan na naman ako ng manok. Dito sa Uganda, grabe. Hindi ako makakaalis sa isang tahanan na pupuntahan ko na wala akong dala. Sana next time baka naman ang ibigay. Kapal na mukha. Binigyan na nga, chusi pa. Uy, sorry. Ano nagsabi, madam? I-vlog mo din pag baka yung binigay. Pag baka ang binigay, dali natin sa Pilipinas para matikman ng lahat. At na itong manok na to. Let's go.